Good morning all, Monday morning here on the Gold Coast. We're at Sanctuary Cove doing a residential clean today. We're looking at cleaning the driveway and parts around the house, all the walls around the premise. As you can see, a bit of mould on there. We've already hit it with a bit of a soft wash treatment, got rid of the green mould. The black mould here will probably take just another bit of a hit. I'm going to tidy up these stepping stones. As you can see, heavily infested with mould. Again, we'll soft wash those and a bit of light pressure, that'll come up nice. Pavers out the back. As you can probably hear, Jesse's busy at the back, starting to clean some retaining walls. The walls behind Jesse have already been soft washed. They were quite green to start with. I've tidied up really nice. This retaining wall goes probably 2/3 of the property, so I'll tidy up nice. We'll come back a bit later on with the finished